Subject EVS 1. Standard 4th. Hello students, I am Elspeth Sibi and today we are going to learn the topic air. The definition of air is the mixture of oxygen, nitrogen and other gases that are constantly present around us. A cool breeze is an example of air. Before starting with the topic, I would like to ask few questions. Why do we need air? Air is essential for life. No living being, plant or animal can survive without it. It gives us energy and plants get their food from the carbon dioxide present in it. It is a mixture of various gases, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Air is need of every living things. Can you tell what are the people in the pictures doing? The girl is blowing the balloon. The man is filling air in the tire. The boy is filling air in the cycle tire. So students, see, air is very useful for us. Let's study in detail.
So here I have a bowl and it is full of water. Take a small transparent glass, hold it upside down on the surface of the water and without tilting it. Tilting means don't take the glass sideways. Push it down onto the water. Now allow it to tilt. You can see the glass has become full of water. Now tilt it. So I'm going to do, let's tilt the glass to the sideways. What do you see? Bubbles rise at once to the top. What does this tell us? Air is lighter than water. So air bubbles rise to the top as soon as the container is filled. It means that there was air even in the container that appeared to be empty.
So students, do this experiment at home. It's very easy and simple. Let's see what are the things you need. Large sheets of any waste paper or obtain old newspapers of about 1 month. Now place the sheets of paper at one at a time in a pile. Pile means place one on top of the other on the floor. Here I have done the experiment for you. Watch carefully.
So students, let's do the next experiment. Here I have the newspaper. Okay. So take large sheet of any waste paper or obtain old newspaper of about 1 month and let's observe what is the experiment. So you can see that the down newspaper bears more weight than the upper newspaper. What does this tell us? The nearer a sheet of paper is to the floor, the greater is the number of papers above it. You can see the number of papers in it. It means that the lower layers bear more weight than the upper layers of paper.
The atmosphere. The earth on which we live is round in shape like a ball. There is air all around the earth. If we go higher above the earth, we find that the air that there is air till a height of almost 50 kilometers. This covering of air around the earth is called atmosphere. As we go further from the earth, the layers of air become thinner. That is, the layer of air closest to the earth are very close to each other, while the ones at higher level are not so close. The air at greater heights is rare.
Hello students. So let's do the experiment. So let's see what are the things you need. You need a lighter, candle, a glass plate and a transparent glass that's full of water. This experiment see that you do with the help of your parents. So students, let's light up the candle. Okay. Watch it carefully. Take a transparent glass. Put the glass above it. And see what do you observe. The candle has turned off its light. What this experiment tells us? The flame uses up the oxygen in the glass, creating low pressure. Because the water at the base of the glass has created an airtight seal. See, this is called airtight seal. See how it is tight. The pressure between the inside and outside of the glass cause the water to rise until the pressure. See, the water has rise to this level. Inside the glass is equal to the pressure outside. So children, try this experiment at home. It's very easy and simple.
The constituent of air that helps burning is called oxygen gas. The Earth's atmosphere is made of air. The circle in this picture shows all the air in the atmosphere. If we divide the circle into 5 equal parts, then the oxygen in the air will be equal to one of the parts. Apart from oxygen, there are other gases in the atmosphere. Which could be they? The oxygen in the air is used both for burning as well as respiration. Which are the other uses of air you know about? You have learned that the gas that fizzes out of soda water is called carbon dioxide. This gas is present in the plants make their food using air and water in presence of sunlight. When plants make their food, they use the carbon dioxide from the air. You have seen that when you place ice in a glass and it becomes very cold, droplets of water settle on its outside. It means that water too is present in air in form of gas. A gas called carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. The largest part of air is made up of another kind of gas. This gas is called nitrogen. Thus, there are several gases present in air. In other words, air is a mixture of several gases. Now, we have a circle here to represent air. Then the quantity of each gas in the mixture is given in the slide. You can see that oxygen, other gases and nitrogen are the appropriate composition of the air. Do you know the burning that takes place in factories, vehicles, stoves in kitchen, etc. gives out smoke. This smoke too mixes with the air around us. See the population. If we will think we can avoid some of the population and we can keep our environment clean and neat. So students, see there are lots of type of pollution. Here I have water pollution, sound pollution, right? Light pollution. How do they affect us? People experience a wide range of health effects from being exposed to air pollution. Long-term health effects from air pollution include heart disease, lung cancer, etc. Air pollution can also cause long-term damage to people's nerves, brain, kidney, liver, and other organs. As a student, we can avoid such kind of pollution. So students, let us see what we have learned in the chapter. Let us do the quick recap. What we have learned. Air is present all around us, even in the places that appear to be empty. There is a covering of air all around the earth. It is called the atmosphere. The layers of air in the atmosphere close to the earth are pressed closer to each other, while the upper layers are rare. Air is a mixture of several gases: oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, and water vapor are its main constituents. Always remember, fuels like coal, petrol, and diesel give out smoke while burning, which mixes with the air. This can cause ill health. Ill health means sick. Thank you.